chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza, the Archbishop of Agra Diocese. We extend our warm welcome to your grace with a bouquet of love. I am also privileged to welcome our Education Director, Reverend Father Sebastian Pandaladi. It gives immense pleasure to welcome our manager, Reverend Father Dennis D'Souza. Welcome, Father. I am glad to welcome the principals of various schools, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, honorable guests, parents, ladies and gentlemen. We wish to welcome all the media people to enjoy this morning. Once again, a hearty welcome to you all. Thank you.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, by our honorable chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza.
Honorable Chief Guest, Most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza, the Archbishop of Agra Diocese, President of Roman Catholic Diocesan Education Society, the Chairman of the school, Reverend Father Sebastian Pandaladi, the Education Director, Reverend Father Dennis D'Souza, the Manager of Jesus and Mary Convent School, Principals of various, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a hearty welcome to each one of you. I would once again extend my hearty welcome to our chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza, for accepting our invitation. I quote, "1,000 miles of a journey must begin with a single step." I unquote. Indeed, it is a joy for Jesus and Mary Convent School family and to me to present a short report of our 16 months history. Yes, Jesus and Mary Convent School began its journey with its first step on 8th July 2011. It was a great day in the history of Archdiocese of Agra. Our Honorable Chairman considers school as an important agent in promoting integrated formation of the child in the gospel spirit of love, justice, equality, fraternity and freedom. He wants students to develop their individual talents and potentials and uproot their vices, cultivate virtues and become later in life exemplary parents, responsible citizens committed to work for the development and welfare of the society. As he says, an educated youth is courteous to companions, sympathizes with nature, helping hands to God and loves everyone. With this dream, we reach out to the needy and transform the lives of many. for the formation of a pluralistic, self-disciplined society. I quote, "Education shapes the destiny of a nation." I unquote, "I'm grateful to God, at the same time, with pride and happiness, inform you that Jesus and Mary Convent School began its journey last year with 244 students and 10 teachers. Within a short span of 16 months, 850 students on roll with 28 teaching staff and 23 non-teaching staff. The school at present conducts classes from nursery to 4th standard. Though the construction is not yet completed, we try to render the best facilities to our students. We have a library with 2,248 books, a computer lab with 25 computers, an activity room with audio-visual system. We are planning to have smart classes too. With the help of Franciscan Solutions, we provide e-care facilities. Our website provides a glimpse about our school. The school organizes various orientation programs for teachers, students, and parents by different eminent resource persons like Reverend Father Lancy Rego, Dr. Gurmeet K. Arjani, Mrs. Ritu Kumar, etc. With the guidance of Universal Solidarity Movement for Peace, led by Reverend Father Varghese Kundat, we conducted a Vidyaram program for the nursery and LKG students. Monthly PTMs are held every 4th Saturday, and it helps us to have better interaction, collaboration, and helps us to impart better education. Every child is talented, so competitions are held to explore their talent, to explore their potentials, tap their talents, gain confidence, and face the challenges of the society and the world at large. We have provided various opportunities to our students in the field of co-curricular activities. We have music and dance teachers to help them. Variety of competitions, talent hunts conducted, and the response is admirable. Students of our school participated in painting and other competitions organized by various other schools like Vishwabharati, Bharatiyam Academy, etc. Sports and physical education is one of the most important aspects of personality development. We have a person trained by Edu Sports Company, and with help of various equipments, he guides our students in their physical fitness. You will be getting a report about the fitness of your child. Our karate class students stood second runner-up in Kids Karate Championship, in which 30 schools participated. Like any other school, we too celebrate the national and religious festivals. We also organize special assemblies based on different themes with plays, PowerPoints, dialogue, question answers, etc. School lays strong emphasis on moral and religious formation of the child. We have tied up with Green City Hospital for all sorts of medical aid and treatment. Our students will get 50% less in normal charges. We are organizing a free medical checkup for all the students in the month of December. We are planning to get group insurance coverage for our students with the help of Green City Hospital. Dear parents, your role in the education of child is much more significant than that of the teachers. A kite flies only when a string is pulled down. Negligence on your part will result your child going into bad company, negative influence, aggressive behavior, destructive nature and violence leading to revenge. However rich you may be, remember that your true wealth is your child. Therefore, dear parents, find time for your children and spend time with them to become their role model. They look at you as a guide and a nurturing parent. I quote, "Time cannot be bought, it has to be sought." I greatly appreciate and acknowledge the wholehearted support of you parents and guardians. I greatly honor the talented, committed, and very hardworking teachers. It's your sincere efforts that made Jesus and Mary Convent School colorful and temple of education and knowledge. I cannot overlook the general contribution of our supporting staff who work together tirelessly behind the curtain throughout the year with a spirit of dedication, hard work, and availability. I also extend my gratitude to the administration, police force, civil society, and the print and electronic media for their support, presence, and coverage. Once again, I thank each one of you being with us this morning to encourage and being God's blessing upon our students and our teachers. May God's choice blessing be upon each one of you. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Father, for brief highlights of our school. That was a splendid report of the achievements and progress of our school nearly in 1 year.
Now, to remind you all, the theme of this event is Rang Thanak, the colors of inspiration. Dear friends, this earth is filled with beautiful colors.
ये तितली, आसमान, पेड़ पौधे, ये सभी कितने अच्छे लगते हैं। ये सब रंगों के कारण ही तो हमारा जीवन रंगीन लगता है। मगर क्या कभी सोचा है कि जो लोग इस रंगीन दुनिया को अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख सकते, उनको कैसा महसूस होता होगा। ऐसी ही एक लड़की की कहानी है जो जन्म से ही अपने आंखों से नहीं देख सकती, केवल सुनती है और महसूस करती है। नाम है उसका सारा। आइए देखिए सारा की कहानी।